coupon code is in the description and comments below. Looking for the best Canva deal available right now? You've come to exactly the right place because we've secured an exclusive discount that's going to save you significant money on Canva. Whether you're already familiar with Canva or just discovering it for the first time, this special offer makes it more affordable than ever. Canva has built a strong reputation for graphic design platform with templates and collaboration. In 2025, they continue to lead their category with innovative features and excellent service that customers trust. This exclusive coupon code provides substantial savings that you won't find anywhere else. What makes Canva stand out is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They've invested heavily in developing features that actually solve real problems for users like you. The platform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced user. Getting started with Canva is straightforward. The setup process is streamlined and well-documented, with helpful tutorials and guides available if you need assistance. The interface is clean and modern, making it easy to navigate and find exactly what you need. Customer support is responsive and knowledgeable, ready to help whenever you encounter questions or issues. Canva offers various plans to suit different needs and budgets. Whether you're an individual user, small business, or enterprise organization, there's a solution that fits. The pricing is transparent with no hidden fees or surprise charges. What you see is what you get, and with this exclusive discount, you're getting an exceptional value. Security and privacy are taken seriously. Canva implements industry-standard encryption and protection measures to keep your data safe. Regular updates ensure the platform stays secure against emerging threats. You can use Canva with confidence knowing your information is protected. The features included are comprehensive and thoughtfully designed. Rather than overwhelming you with unnecessary complexity, Canva focuses on delivering the functionality that matters most. Everything works together seamlessly, creating a cohesive experience that just makes sense. Integration capabilities allow Canva to work alongside other tools you already use. Whether through native integrations, API access, or third-party connections, Canva fits into your existing workflow without forcing you to abandon tools you rely on. Performance is excellent with fast loading times, reliable uptime, and smooth operation even during peak usage. The technical infrastructure behind Canva is robust and scalable, handling everything you throw at it without slowdown or interruptions. Mobile apps bring Canva to your smartphone and tablet, letting you stay productive on the go. The mobile experience is optimized specifically for smaller screens, not just a scaled-down version of the desktop interface. Regular updates add new features, improve existing ones, and ensure compatibility with the latest devices and operating systems. Canva continuously evolves based on user feedback and industry trends. The community around Canva is active and helpful. Forums, documentation, and user groups provide resources for learning tips, sharing best practices, and connecting with others who use the platform. You're not just buying software or a service, you're joining a community. Value for money is exceptional, and with this exclusive coupon code, it becomes even more compelling. The return on investment becomes clear quickly as Canva helps you work more efficiently, solve problems faster, and achieve better results. To claim this exclusive discount, click the link in the description below, select the plan that best fits your needs, and apply the coupon code at checkout. You'll see the savings applied immediately to your order. This limited time offer won't last forever, so take advantage while it's available. Canva also typically offers a money-back guarantee or trial period, so you can test the service risk-free and ensure it meets your expectations before fully committing. If you're ready to experience what makes Canva special and save money doing it, check out the link in the description now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive deals, product reviews, and helpful tips.